everyone, Mrs. Amanda here from the Winnetka Northfield Public Library District, and thank you for your interest in learning how to make a light-up circuit valentine. If you signed up for the program, you should have received information about how to pick up your kit, and your kit will contain a pink piece of cardstock with 2 valentines like this on it, 2 red LED lights, 2 binder clips, 2 CR2032 batteries, and some conductive tape that looks a little bit like this. I pre-made a sample that I'll show off at the end, but I really quickly just wanted to walk you through how to actually make the valentine. So you're going to want to cut out your 2 valentines, and they're going to look something like this. Please make sure you leave the little square on the bottom here. It's a very important piece. And then honestly, your instructions for making the valentine are kind of within the valentine itself. So these dark black marks are going to be where you put the conductive tape. We've got a little spot at the top, which is where we put our LED light. And then we have the 2 circles at the bottom, which is where our battery lives. And the importance of this piece is so that we can fold it over and clip it or tape it, whatever you like, to hold our battery in place, to kind of keep our LED lit. So after you've cut out your valentines, the first thing you're going to want to do is stretch out your little LED light. It has 2 feet, one of which is a teensy bit longer, and the one that's a little bit longer is the positive side. So as you can see on your valentine, we want our positive side over here and our negative side over here. Same thing with our battery. You're going to want to make sure you follow these directions. So you're going to want the positive side on one, the negative side on the other. And so the next thing you're going to do is actually use your conductive tape to follow this thick black line and tape down your design. I will warn you in advance, the conductive tape is really, really thin and really easy to tear. It happens. It's totally fine. And truthfully, it's kind of hard to follow this shape with a conductive tape. So if you do need to tear pieces, just make sure when you put them down that they are always fully touching. So you can see I had to make several tears in order to complete my valentine. You'll also see that I taped down the legs of my LED light there. So really, all you're gonna do is follow this trail with your conductive tape. Make sure you tape down your LED light with the appropriate sided legs where they belong. And then you will put your battery down and use your binder clip to hold it in place. Or as I said, you can use tape, or you can choose to not keep it attached if you don't want it lit all the time. I do have a sample, but it's so light in my office that it is very hard to see that it's actually lit right now. This is a very, very easy, quick, fun Valentine's Day project, and I hope that you can enjoy it. If you liked doing this, conductive tape is really easy to find on the internet, as well as LEDs and batteries. So it's something that you could do over and over, setting up different circuits in different kinds of cards or different little projects. I hope you enjoyed, and if you want to share a picture of your Valentine, you can send us an email at youth@winnetkalibrary.org. Again, thank you guys for joining us, and happy Valentine's Day!